You have pictures and videos on your iPhone and you want to transfer it to your laptop. You know how difficult that is. That is why I'm here. That is why I'm making this video for you. I've made a simple tutorial on how you can transfer a video from your iPhone to your laptop. Very simple. And also when you want to transfer a video or picture from your laptop to your iPhone, I've made a simple tutorial on that. You will understand, you'll be able to transfer every video or picture from your phone to your laptop, and likewise. All you need is two apps and a USB cord where you have to connect your USB cord to the laptop. That will help you do the transfer. So stick to the end of this video as I show you how you can transfer this file, that is the picture and the video. Okay, it is made simple. I've made it very simple here. So stick to the end of this video and don't forget to like and subscribe as you are enjoying this video. So let's go straight to the point. We will have to connect our USB cord from our phone to the laptop. Yes, that will help us do the transfer. And when we are done, we head straight to our laptop. With the laptop, you have to use an app called iTunes. If you don't have iTunes, just go and download iTunes. So that is my iTunes. That is how it looks like if you launch it. This is how it looks like, and that is my name because I've connected my iPhone to the iTunes. So this is how it will appear. That is the file share and the document. These are the things we are going to work on. So let's go straight to our phone. On our phone, we also need an app called Document that will help us receive and send videos and pictures to our iPhone and then the laptop. So when you launch your document, you have to open iTunes, okay? That is the iTunes. So if you already have pictures or videos on your iTunes, you can send them to your laptop. But if you don't have, you have to import pictures from our gallery. So we click on import pictures from our gallery. Then it will head straight to our gallery. So let me look for a picture I want to send to my laptop. Okay, let's choose this picture. Then I'll click on it. Then I'll add. Then now it has come to my iTunes. Okay, the picture I want to send has come to my iTunes. So let's rename it for me to be able to identify it. Very simple. So what I'll do is I will that is the picture. I will rename the picture. That is rename. So we click on the rename. Then let's use cash. Let me name it cash. Okay. So cash. Now we know the picture we want to send is called cash. That is the name. So we head back to our laptop and go to our iTunes. Okay. So we'll click on share. Then we'll click on documents. Okay. Then it will open the iTunes on our laptop. So every picture or video on our iTunes open on the laptop. Okay, so you can just drag it from the iTunes to your desktop, or you drag a picture or a video from your desktop to your iTunes file open on your computer. Okay, so it is very simple. So let's practice that. Okay, that is the cache. So I'm launching. You see, that is the picture of the cache. We are going to drag a picture. So that yellow picture, we are going to drag it from my desktop. That yellow picture from my desktop to the iTunes. So they are saying I already have it, but I have to click OK for just an example. So we'll head to our phone to see if we have what we drag to our iTunes. So that is it. You see, that is the yellow picture we drag. You can do this to video or any picture you have recorded on your phone or on your laptop. Okay, so it is very simple. And if you enjoy this video, just subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. When I'm doing any tutorials, you get to be the first person to watch. Okay, so I'm Nana Paul. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. I'm out.